Thank you, Archie. To other news now, most Jamaicans want to have a say in how a ceremonial or executive president is elected. Well, that's if Jamaica removes the British monarch as head of state and transition to a republic. The findings are from a recent RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll, which has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%. We have the details from Andrea Chisholm.
The Constitutional Reform Committee has been making the rounds, having town hall meetings to hear what Jamaicans have to say about removing the King of England as head of state. If that happens, Jamaica would become a republic with a president. Details are still being worked out. In June 2023, Legal and Constitutional Affairs Minister Marlene Malahoo Fort said, quote, "We're leaning towards a hybrid presidency, not a ceremonial president, a president that will exercise a set of powers, some ceremonial, some executive. We're tailor-making something for the Jamaican people," end quote. And so the question was put to 1,010 registered voters across the island from August 30 to September 14. What type of a presidency would you prefer? 36% said they would prefer an executive president only, 31% a ceremonial president along with executive president, and 33% said they were not sure. Having established that, pollster Don Anderson sought more details.
How should it be done? How should an election of a ceremonial president be done?
7 out of 10 Jamaicans say a ceremonial president should be chosen by the Prime Minister in consultation with the people.
5% said PM in consultation with the judiciary head, 6% in consultation with the opposition leader, 7% in agreement, separate from apart from consultation with agreement with the opposition leader, and 13% really don't know, don't care, didn't matter to them.
So, how should an executive president be chosen? 79% said people should vote directly for the executive president. 12% said it doesn't matter, and 9% said members of parliament of the winning party. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.